Hello everyone, I have a little unboxing or enveloping to share with you today. Funny story about this one, I actually cancelled my subscription 2 days ago to Pipsticks because they weren't arriving. It had been a very long time. I know that shipping is still all over the place, all over the world, but when I looked up the mail carrier specifically that they use, they said they weren't shipping to Australia, and I'd paid for 2 months and I thought, oh no, I don't even know if that's going to arrive. They assured me that it would, and then of course the next day I go to my mailbox and one of them has arrived. So this one is from April. This is the first subscription of these stickers that I have ever received. I'm really excited. I really love using them in my planner, but I haven't seen any spoilers as to what is in this one. So you're going to see it with me now. Okay, so I can't even remember what theme this was. It was from a little while ago, but I am super excited to see all of these cute things and to open it up. Something that I've noticed already and that I love is that they don't include packaging for each of them. So I do have some other Pipsticks stickers here. This is what their packaging normally looks like. So I'm glad that they haven't included that. It's just so much less wasteful. So let's have a look at what we've got. This is adorable. I think I recognize this artist. There she is. Once More with Love. I do follow her on Instagram. I'm going to move these out of the way so that we can see them nice and clearly. And they are super, super, super cute. I love them. I'm already loving this little one. That is just adorable. So let's have a look at what else they've got. That is very, very cute. Just adorable. Heaps of little smiley faces. These are super, super cute. I really love them. Like I said, I haven't really seen any spoilers on these. Some of these I do recognize, but I hadn't seen this one at all, and that is very, very cute. These little avocados are adorable. I wish this was me right now. Oh, these little awards, they are so funny. Took a nap. See, there we go. That's what I need right now. Did the thing. Didn't dwell. They're adorable. Didn't do the thing. They're very funny. We've got some very wordy ones here. Anxious and awesome. I think that about sums me up. Very cute. These ones are very cute. They're like little oil bottles. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to start using these in my planner. These are very cute. It looks like they're jackets that you can decorate with stickers to make them look like they're covered in little patches. That is very clever. That is very cute. I did see little bits of this one online. The yoga with goats. Oh, I love that so much. It's very cute. We've got some cute alphabet stickers, very spunky. We've got some dumpster fires, that is amazing. Very, very funny. What could go wrong? Oh, I love them very much. And then we've got some like old computers, it's very cute. And then we have a little postcard, You're on Fire, very cute. And then there's the book which has all of the retail prices of everything. As this was my first kit, I did get it for 50% off. I'm not affiliated with these guys at all, but I will leave the link below if you want to check out their website and if you're interested in subscriptions or just what they have. This is one of those companies that I wish I was in the US so I had easier access to them. But one of my friends here in Brisbane actually has a physical sticker shop and online shop, and she stocks Pipsticks. So she has been my go-to. I'll link her down below as well. So there we have it. My first subscription with Pipsticks stickers. They are very, very cute. I can't wait to use them. I don't even know what I'm going to use first. I do love the little awards, and I do love these ones a lot. So cute, but you'll be seeing these in my planner as I share it over the next couple of months. Thanks for watching. Bye.